Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This short video is going to help you a lot if your TENS electrodes they are not sticking well. This is a quick fix that you can do at your home with almost no money, and you can easily fix these. So first let me show you what is the current condition of these electrodes. If you see, these four electrodes they are not sticking at all. So you can easily see they get off. There is almost no stickiness. You can clearly see there is no stickiness to these. Now what really happens is that there is a lot of oil and dead skin that gets stick to these electrodes because these are self-adhesive electrodes. So let's move on to the quick fix.
So as you can see, these are all the same four electrodes. I'm not taking any other electrodes. So these are the same ones. So first we need to put them down like this, and we need to rinse them with some water. Now once they're wet, this is an ordinary liquid soap I'm using. You can use any you like. So I just have to apply this a bit in this way and put it aside. Similarly, I should apply the soap to the other one and just a bit. And lastly, let's apply just a bit to the fourth one. Now I just have to rub this a bit with very gentle hands and for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now this one is done. Let's use the other one, and again you can see me. I am just washing it gently. Similarly, the third one comes in. Here it is. And now the fourth one, you can see there is this piece of tissue paper that was applied and it's gone now. It's over here. So all the corners, all the edges and the middle, and now we are going to rinse it again. Make sure that the soap, it gets off. Now we have to let them dry and make sure they don't touch each other. So let's put them away for some period of time, and then if there is soap left you can rinse it again. And lastly, so these four are almost ready now, and let me show you the ones that I have cleaned before. So let's go to the other side. So here you can see these are the new ones that I have just cleaned, and they are still wet. You can see water over here and they are still wet. Let me show you from this view. You can easily see water. Let me change the view. So you can see these are all wet, and this is the previous batch that I have thoroughly cleaned, and it's dry now, and I can show you it sticks a lot well. You can see. So if we wait for some period of time, you can see these are way too much wet. You can see this water, but still you see, so it is just like new one. So I hope you like this video, and you can try this at your home, at your clinic, to see how it works. And clearly this is the evidence. You can see that they are still wet. It's not dry. You can see water over here also, under these also. So once they become dry, they will stick like this. See, it's a lot better. This a lot better. And similarly these are, as you can see, these are not new ones, these are old ones, and they stick very well to this. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do let me know, and do share this video to your friends and your students and your loved ones, because it can save them a lot of money. So that's all from my side today. Stay blessed.